Yep.
Click on the contact us. Okay. So the store template on the right-hand side, and then click the drop-down contact, bottom right-hand corner, online store theme template. Assign a template from your current theme.
Here, this one.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, contact. So I think this is it already. So like, click on view page at the top. Yeah. Go back to the first tab and click view the contact page again. The view page.
Here.
And this is what it looks like. So it's
So that's
ready. You might want, if you want, you can add like a small text which will go underneath the contact us.
Yeah.
Like, please give us 24 hours to reply, or you can just leave it blank since it's pretty explanatory.
Yeah. Okay, sweet. Yeah, I'll just
Or
I'll
copy
figure that
something
out.
from like a different website.